and gardening and fitness and pets, all those evergreen niches that we talked about. I mean, again, short of World War, and even during World War, people are interested in these things to different degrees. But don't, I guess our point here is don't overthink this, because there are plenty of niches out there that fit the bill, that are evergreen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find a proven product, and you can easily find that in the ClickBank marketplace. So you're gonna identify a hot selling product that you can actually promote within that niche, right? So in other words, you might say, okay, I'm going to do the fitness niche, and my product is going to be keto breads and keto desserts, and maybe it's more granular. Maybe it's the diet niche, weight loss niche. And then your hot digital product is going to be, one of these, and you can find out whether it's hot based on metrics that are in the ClickBank marketplace. But it needs to have a hungry audience, and you could use and clearly the people that are doing keto are hungry for sure. And you can also use something like keywordtool.io. And you can find kind of recent trends, like what are hot things that people are searching on, like Noom is pretty hot right now and things like that. And that'll help you select a winning product. Then what you're going to do is you're going to build a squeeze page. And really they're fast and easy to set up. And we have don't worry about, like, if you're not a web designer or anything like that, we've got done for you solutions, which we'll tell you about. But for now, just worry about what it is that we're doing here. They're really very fast and easy to set up, and they're structured in a very specific way to generate maximum conversions. Okay. But they're simple, authority focused pages, and the goal there is to generate targeted leads. We basically want people to say, yes, I'm interested. I'm Steve Clayton. Here's my email. You have captured my interest. I am interested in the keto diet, and so I'm interested in your niche. And so when you get the lead, you'll immediately send them the product that you identified before, and you'll say, oh, I got this guy Steve. He's interested in the keto diet. Let me send him all the information about this digital product that I found about breads and sweets, breads and desserts, which sounds pretty much right up my alley. Okay. And what we're going to do is drive targeted traffic. We're going to look at, like, really targeted free or cheap paid traffic, right? And we're going to send that traffic to the squeeze page to capture the leads, right? And then send those leads information about that product so that we can make sales and get instant commissions. Okay? It really is that simple. That is a raw affiliate marketing model. It's not where we're going to end, but it's where we're going to start. And then we optimize from there. Because this aim of step number 1 is to quickly build an affiliate income stream of $100 a day per profit. And this was the first thing that I ever did when I started online. And the process is super fast, because you're not dealing with any suppliers or shipping or inventory, or actually you're not even dealing with customers, which is kind of interesting because you're selling other people's products. So the minute the product is sold, you're out of the loop. You're done. And you can be ready to go in like 24 hours or less, and you're ready to make money almost instantly. This is the appeal of that affiliate marketing model. So that's step 1. Now, step 2, we're going to take that affiliate income stream and we're going to multiply it. We're going to get it out to at least $500 a day, maybe more. And we're going to do that by creating what we call a profit funnel. And this is really, really important because it's just human nature, and it's a science of marketing, that the majority of people need to see something multiple times before they buy it. And the best way to do that is getting them into a funnel, which simply means you pour them into the top, and then you try at various points along the funnel as they drift down the funnel to sell them stuff. That's what a marketing funnel is, whether it's an online one, an email one, an in-person one, it doesn't matter. And basically you're going to be sending out a series of automated emails. So you don't have to do it, you don't have to do it manually to the leads, and that dramatically increases the sales of the products, right? And it's a one-time set it and forget it process because it's 100% automated. You don't need to reach out to people directly or